This tutorial will show you how to perform a graphical search using the Search widget. You will see how simple it is to define a shape and find all the schools, libraries, hospitals, census blocks, census tracts, broadband providers, towns and cities that fall within or intersect this shape. As before, begin by refreshing the page. Enter the following address: 1350 West Van Buren Street 85007. Press the Locate button. Click on the Zoom to button on the info window to zoom in closer. Close the Find an Address widget. Close the Broadband Providers widget. Close the Map Display Choices widget. Hover your mouse over the sixth widget on your title bar. This is the Search widget. Click once to open it. The Search widget has 5 tabs on the header. Hover your mouse over the second tab. The tooltip will tell you this is the Graphical Search tab. Notice the black underscore below this tab. This indicates you are currently viewing the tools on the Graphical Search page. Click on the down arrow to display the list of map layers that you can select to perform a search. The first layer is the Census Blocks with Wired Broadband Service. It is highlighted in yellow and is your default search layer. Notice, there is a white border around all the graphical search tools. This means none are activated at the moment. Hover your mouse over the second graphical search tool. The tooltip will show that this is the Select by Point tool. Click once on the Select by Point tool to activate it. Notice how the border turns black. Move your cursor over the map. Notice how the tooltip next to the cursor says, "Click to add a point." Click on the building below the swimming pool. Click on the Zoom button. The census block that your point falls upon is highlighted in red. Notice that the black underscore is now under the 5th tab on the header. You are currently viewing the results page. There are 8 wired broadband providers within the census block. Move the Search widget to the top and expand the results window to see the list of wired broadband providers. Wired broadband includes fiber, DSL, T1 and cable. Hover your mouse over the last record. It shows that Integra Telecom has T1 broadband service in this census block. Click on the green hot link to open the provider's website. Close the provider's website. Open the Map Display Choices widget. Scroll down the list. Turn on the Census Blocks with Wired Broadband Service. The census block boundaries are drawn in green. Turn on the All Census Blocks map layer. Notice how the 4-digit census block numbers now appear in green. The census block highlighted in red has a census block number of 3007. Hover your mouse over the first tab on the header. This is for showing the search results in a grid. Click to open the search results window. Expand the results window by dragging the lower right corner. You can view the details of the 8 wired broadband providers within census block 3007. You can resize the column widths. You can sort the column values. Click once on the Download Speed Tier column heading. Notice how the values are sorted in ascending order. The black arrow indicates that you have just sorted this field. Click one more time. The values are now sorted in descending order. Cox Communications has the fastest advertised download speed within this census block. You have the option to export the results as a comma-delimited file or a tab-delimited file. You can save this file to your local machine by clicking the Export button. The exported file can be opened in Excel or Word for making reports and charts. Close the search results window. For census blocks smaller than 2 square miles, Wired broadband information is aggregated at the census block level. You have learned how to display this information in a grid and export the results to Excel. What about fixed wireless, mobile wireless and satellite broadband data? Press the Clear button. This clears the results page and takes you back to the Graphical Search page. Click on the down arrow, scroll down the list of map layers, and select Broadband Providers as your search layer. Click the Select by Point tool to activate it. Click on the building below the swimming pool, as you did before. 22 Broadband Providers will appear in the results page. This includes the 8 wired broadband providers within the census block, and the 14 other fixed wireless, mobile wireless, and satellite broadband providers. Click on the Show Results in Grid button to open the search results window. Expand this window to view the entire list. There are 4 types of fixed wireless broadband, 7 types of mobile wireless broadband, and 3 types of satellite broadband. Close the search window. Clear the search results. Click on the down arrow and select Census Blocks as your search layer. Activate the Select by Point tool and click once again on the building below the swimming pool. Census Block 3007 that contains this building is highlighted in red. This census block has a population of 455 and covers an area of 9.08 acres. Click on the Show Results in Grid button to open the search results window. The 4-digit census block number begins with a 3. This means this census block is a part of census block group number 3. Census block group 3 is a part of Census Tract 112900. This census tract is a part of Maricopa County, with a county FIPS code of 013. Maricopa County is a part of Arizona, with a state FIPS code of 04. The GeoID of a census block is a combination of the state FIPS code, the county FIPS code, the 6-digit census tract number, and the 4-digit census block number. Scroll down to the right to view more attributes for this census block. 455 people live within this census block and have a median age of 25. There are 204 households within this census block, the average household size being 2. Proceed to Part 2 to learn how to select multiple census blocks.